Words and language are a very powerful thing. And the words we use in our own mind are very powerful in what we say to ourselves. So what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to get a pen, just to show you an example of how powerful the words are. Just get a pen and hold it between your thumb and forefinger. Okay? And just out like that. Okay? And I want you to say out loud over and over again, I can drop the pen, 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 I can drop the pen. And while you're saying out loud, I want you to try as hard as you can to open those fingers. So, I can drop the pen, 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 I can drop the pen. Now isn't that interesting? That while you're doing that and trying to open your fingers, there's no way you can open your fingers. That's because the words you're using is, I can drop the pen. Now watch this. I will drop the pen. I am dropping the pen. I can drop the pen, I can drop the pen, I can drop the pen, I can drop the pen. Now that's very interesting. In the words we use in our mind, the way they can affect us physically. So what I want you to do now is I want you to close your eyes for a minute. And what I want you to do is I want you to say over and over again, I can open my eyes, 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 I can open my eyes. At the same time, trying as hard as you can to open your eyes. I can open my eyes, 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 I can open my eyes. Trying as hard as you can. That's interesting, isn't it? Now, stop and open your eyes. And now, what I want you to do is I want you to close your eyes and just say, I am opening my eyes. So it just shows how powerful words can be and how they can affect you physically in some ways. So what are the negative words you are using on yourself that affect you physically? What are the negative ideas that you want to change here